Welcome, Wall Street warriors. Ever heard of Michael Burry, the Wall Street wizard, the oracle of the economy? He stepped back into the limelight with yet another of his prescient predictions, a market tumble that didn't quite hit the mark. But wait, there's more. Let's bring into focus Wood, the seer behind RK, who has recently foreseen a potential market crash looming in the future. It seems only stocks with investments in AI have reaped profits this year, with a mere handful of companies propping up the entire market. Kathy stands firm in her conviction that early adoption of cryptocurrency integration is paramount for traditional investors or financial instruments, or they risk becoming obsolete, akin to the dinosaurs. Let's talk about Michael. No, not the one with the shiny glove, but Michael Burry. This is a man whose name is etched in the annals of financial history for his uncanny ability to predict market trends. A trained physician, Burry switched paths and dove headfirst into the world of finance, founding Scion Capital, a hedge fund that he ran for 8 years. But what sets Burry apart is his legendary prediction of the 2008 financial crisis. While the world was basking in the glow of a booming housing market, Burry saw a bubble ready to burst. He bet against the housing market, a move that seemed foolish at the time, but ultimately led to enormous profits when the market did indeed collapse. Today, Burry stands as a beacon of market acumen, a man who reads between the lines of financial reports and finds patterns others miss. The hedge fund honcho with a knack for numbers that make Fibonacci look like a kindergartner. Enter stage left, Cathie Wood from ARK. She's not just an ordinary investor, but a visionary, a pioneer, a maverick. Cathie Wood is the founder and CEO of ARK Invest, a firm that's taken Wall Street by storm. She has a strong belief in the power of disruptive innovation and has made bold bets in areas like artificial intelligence, robotics, and genomic sequencing. But she's not just gazing at the horizon, she's forewarning it. Recently, Cathie stated that the markets could crash in the future, and only those tech stocks that in AI have profited this year. Adding to this, she strongly advocates that early adoption of crypto integration is a necessity for legacy investors or instruments to survive, or they're becoming as obsolete as dinosaurs. A testament to her innovative approach, ARK's signature fund, the ARK Innovation ETF, delivered remarkable returns, catapulting early investors into millionaire status overnight. Cathie Wood, the daredevil of disruptive tech investing, has become a symbolic lighthouse in the tumultuous sea of the investment world, making her investors so joyful in 2021, they probably named their yachts after her. So Michael waved the red flag for September, while Cathie's saying brace for impact in the next 2 weeks. Now, let's delve into the crystal balls of these two financial clairvoyants. Michael Burry, often compared to a modern-day Nostradamus of finance, warned about a looming market crash. His prediction was based on surging inflation and overvalued assets, a toxic cocktail that could send Wall Street into a tailspin. On the other hand, Cathie Wood, the oracle of innovation, foresaw a different future. She predicted a short-term market correction, a natural ebb in the flow of the financial tide. But unlike Burry, Wood remained optimistic about the long-term prospects, particularly in disruptive technologies. So what came to pass? Well, the market did see some turbulence, but it didn't quite match the magnitude of their predictions. Are they the dynamic duo of doom, or just a couple of financial fortune tellers reading the tea leaves? Only time will truly tell, Will. Strategy time. Remember folks, diversification is your financial flak jacket. It's that protective gear that shields you from the stormy seas of the stock market. You might be wondering, what's the secret sauce to diversification? Well, it's all about balancing your investment portfolio. Think of your investments as a pie. You wouldn't want it to be all apple or all cherry, would you? You want a mix, some stocks, some bonds, a dash of real estate, and perhaps a sprinkle of commodities. And don't forget, a slice of that pie should always be reserved for cash or cash equivalents. Why? Because that's your safety net, your rainy day fund. And here's a pro tip. Don't put all your eggs in one sector's basket. Tech stocks might be all the rage today, but who knows what tomorrow brings. Balance those investments, because in the grand casino of Wall Street, it's better to spread your chips. That's a wrap. We've embarked on a journey through the predictions of market mavens, Michael Burry and Cathie Wood, steered through the crypto maze, and even crafted an investment strategy that's more chess than checkers. The significance of knowledge in the world of finance is too great to be put into words, Investing smart and safe holds the utmost importance. Cathie Wood, however, advises that diversification in cryptocurrency, blue-chip altcoins, Bitcoin and other innovative technologies is crucial, as traditional investment tools, no matter how secure, won't keep pace with inflation. Hoarding cash rather than putting it to work for you is not wise wealth multiplication strategy. Traditional currencies, especially US dollars, suffer from hyperinflation, especially since being removed from the gold standard. While diversification is important, diversification in crypto involves a higher risk, but also a much greater chance for transformative wealth creation. And remember, invest smart, invest safe, and keep your portfolio as assorted as a box of chocolates. One never knows what they're going to get.